Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Today's video is all about craft and decor. I'm going to change this beautiful item that I got off Facebook Marketplace for like $40, and I want to do something a little bit different because I don't really like the color. I'm not really a fan of silver. Let me show you what we need in order to change the look of this beautiful stool. Like always, my little girls wanted to help me with this. They're not gonna be painting, they're gonna just show what items we need in order to change this stool. You can use this as a stool or as a side table. I believe the person that had this was using this as a side table. So what do we need to change this today?
We need paint.
We need paint. What color is the paint?
Black.
Black.
Wait, let me ask them. We are gonna have henna on our hair today.
You gotta say louder.
We're gonna have henna on ourselves today.
Who's gonna do henna?
Abby.
Oh my goodness. What do you have, Fairy?
Wow. No, not straws. It's glue sticks.
Yeah, those are glue sticks. She's too little, so she's still learning how to read. Her sister can read. She's 3 years old. Glue sticks. And what do we have down there?
Wine covers.
Yes, those are wine corks. So those are the things that you have on. You want to grab it and show them?
Wine covers.
Yeah, bring it here. Let me see. Yeah.
The henna is this color.
The henna is that color. So here we're also going to be I'm going to be using some wine corks to for this craft. So let's get going. Let me show you what I'm going to start with.
Thanks guys, make sure to subscribe.
We have to clean this, and the girls wanted to help me. Once I start spraying, they have to leave because I don't want them to inhale any of that. So we're gonna clean first. Time to spray paint it all black, and we're gonna let it dry. Let's get going.
"20 minutes later."
It's black all around.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what it looks like right after I have cleaned it and spray painted it. So I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours. It's about 1 o'clock now, and then I'm gonna come and do the second part of the craft. The more I look at this piece, the more I don't want to do anything else to it, but it's just so blank. It just looks like a black table, you know, like a black side table or like a black stool. I feel like I want to make it a little bit more unique. So for a moment I just wanted to leave it the way it is, but you know what, I feel like I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I envisioned. First I wanted to do it gold, but if I painted this all gold, it was gonna be too much. I like gold, but it was just gonna be too much. I don't like when there's too much gold. It just starts looking trashy for me. So, and I'm not inspired by anything. That's the part that I'm a little bit scared about, because I have no idea if this is going to turn out the way I want it. I'm going to go ahead and actually continue what I had envisioned, because I actually don't have an inspiration. I was not inspired by anything to do this. I just woke up one day when I got this piece. I was like, this is what I want to do. When I saw it online, I was like, what if I do this to this piece? And that's what I'm trying to do now. So I'm going to go ahead and just get going. As you can see, this is not straight. Obviously it doesn't have to be straight because, yeah, the thing is curved and these things are not necessarily gonna look straight. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna finish this closure, and I think that might be it for now. I'm not really sure what else I want to add, but we're gonna see what it looks like once I'm done with this little skirt look like.